Australia has accused the European Union of blocking the shipment of more than 3.1 million doses of life-saving coronavirus vaccines. Insiders say Canberra has only received 300,000 AstraZeneca and does not hold out much hope for another shipment of 400,000 due by the end of April. An Australian government source said, "They've blocked 3.1 million shots so far. We haven't given up hope, but we've stopped counting them in our expected supplies." They told the Reuters news agency that the blocked exports are likely to impact Australia's vaccination drive, which is already 83% behind schedule. Their claim comes after Brussels unveiled plans to crack down on shipments of European-made coronavirus shots being shipped abroad. The European Commission has powers to stop exports to countries with better vaccination rates than EU member states. The EU executive disputed the claims that it had blocked 3.1 million jabs from being sent to Australia. An EU official said the bloc had only seized one shipment of 250,000 AstraZeneca shots from Italy to Canberra earlier this year. Under the EU's export ban, vaccine producers have to request permission to send doses abroad. So far, just one shipment out of 491 export requests have been vetoed. 7 more are pending review. Australian PM Scott Morrison blamed the missing shipments on his country's slow rollout of jabs. He said, "In early January, we anticipated we would have the 3.1 million vaccines. Those vaccines were not supplied to Australia. That is the reason. Australia's initial vaccination drive was reliant on AstraZeneca shots made in Europe. The rollout was due to be supplemented by 50 million doses of the Oxford-produced jab made locally. Australia has mostly avoided the coronavirus pandemic, recording just 909 deaths since its outbreak. It is planning to launch quarantine and testing-free travel with New Zealand this month, after essentially eradicating the virus by closing borders. Despite having virtually ridded itself from the disease, Australia's vaccine program is running behind schedule. It has only jabbed 670,000 people compared to an initial target of 4 million by the end of last month.